The most important component is actually to develop the local partnerships, because we're going to generate a lot of valuable information, but whether this information gets deployed and has incidence in the countries will depend on local partners getting active around it. One of our key partners is the Avina Foundation. So in deploying this locally and building action around it, we are using their methodology, which is to build social capital. That means bringing government, NGOs, foundations, and business together around an objective. The SPI allows us to identify priorities and to build social capital around it. And in this way, we're actually having significant incidence on many topics in Latin America already. In the effective deployment, in the case of Brazil, for example, we have managed to get together 772 local governments to work with Amazon, Avina, the Artavia Institute, non-governmental organizations, and corporations like Vale, a mining company, Coca-Cola, international and local, and Naturas, a biotechnology corporation in Brazil, to come together and fund and execute their own survey, measure social progress in their own way, and actually start deploying actions around that. That is the type of social capital that we hope to build around all countries. And not only all countries, but actually transforming this original index into effective actions at local level, at municipal level in the Amazon. Just imagine what that means. We are allowing our local partners to actually, working with us, redesign how you measure the social progress at local level. So we respect the structure of the model in terms of the 3 basic dimensions. We respect the structure of the model in terms of the 12 basic components, but we allow them to work with the indicators, change some of the indicators to make them more relevant. For example, in Africa, we're measuring very intensely the impact of communicable diseases. In Brazil, we're centering that just around malaria because it's the information that they would have available. So the indicators are flexible in the sense that they will still answer the question of exposure of the population to communicable disease, but in some cases it'll be a specific, in other cases it'll be general. We want this to be as relevant as possible in each local context.